Hi guys. Hold on. I forgot. Which video was it? I think it was. Well, yes, I remember that Ufan commented on my video, said, you hit 10 subscribers, make a paper play button. So, yeah, I might do that, but right now I'm on a phone. I'm not on vlog right now. I don't know, what video was it? That was probably in the old videos. I think it was in this one. How is Roblox starting to not working?
Please send us a shot.
I think it was in this one. Yeah, it was chapter 4 of Puppet.
Right under Abby and Ghost Mode. Oscar the Grouch is here. We have Chef Mode.
Lynch date. Well, yes, that was a long time ago. I remember seeing myself with 23 subscribers, but all of a sudden, I got 11 back, but at least I got 13 now. I unlocked the new rune skin. Shut up, Liam. What video was it? I don't know, but I'm just gonna, I'm going vlog right now, so I'm gonna end the video and then, yeah.